What's going on, guys? Roma the Roma here. In this video I'm going to go over a service that I use sparingly. I don't use this service all the time, but in business there's something called cash flow.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
Cash flow is how much money do you actually have coming into your business versus going out. So if your cash flow is $1,000 a month, you could have revenue of $30,000. Your revenue coming in is $30,000, but you spent $29,000, so your cash flow is only $1,000. So cash flow week to week, though, if you're an Amazon seller and you need access to those funds immediately, like that's the position I'm in right now. For week to week trend, this is where it gets trippy. Amazon only pays sellers twice a week unless you're one of those lucky sellers that has daily payouts. Now I just did a poll on Instagram and I asked all my following, I said, how many of you guys get daily payouts? And it was about 70-30. And out of the 30% that got daily payouts, I said, is your account before or after 2016? 70% was after, 30% was before. Granted, most of my audience are newer Amazon sellers, so it's kind of skewed that way. But regardless, I think newer accounts are more likely to have daily payouts. Comment below, do you guys get daily payouts or not? I'm in the position where my business, it's growing rapidly and I need that money now. I was in the same position in June, except now I need the money more to pay employees, pay people to list the books. Textbook season's right around the corner. We need to get these books in Amazon's warehouse by the time January hits so we can capitalize on textbook season in January. Otherwise, we're gonna have a bunch of books in January laying around in Nashville, Tennessee, and they're not gonna be in the warehouses they need to be in for the sale. So check out my sales in June, baby. Don't judge my numbers, this is June. So this is like the great, every year booksellers go through a Great Depression in June. But these are the daily payments I was getting from Payability. So right here, $756, $100, $400. Every day I can request this amount. And in June, I was doing more liquidation type deals. So in July, I needed that money right now because I'd be in the heat of a deal. I'd be talking to someone, I'd be like, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Let's agree on $800 for this lot of books. And I would need that cash right now. You guys know when you open up your Amazon seller app and you look at it and it says your balance is like $1,800 or whatever it is, like your balance is getting up there, but you can't have it for like another week or two. That feeling sucks. Payability allows you to get that money just like that. Now the reason why I don't recommend Payability year round or super long term, some people do it long term because the retail arbitrage community especially, those people spend so much damn money on inventory, but they flip shit fast. They go to Walmart, Target every single day, and they're spending, sometimes thousands of dollars a day. They need that money quick. Booksellers are the same way, but with our inventory takes, 3 to 6 months to sell. So it's a little bit different on the turnaround. But with Payability, you have to know a couple things. One, they keep 2% of gross sales. So for every $1,000, you pay them $20. Okay? That's the only fee they have. You can do daily transfers, and the transfers will occur within 24 hours. Or you can also request immediate transfers for an extra 1% fee. I never do that. I just request the night before and go ahead and get the payments. I have a link below, bit.ly/Romer Payability, I believe it is. It'll be the first link in the description. If you guys sign up with that link, you will get $150. I will also get a kickback of that, so it's kind of a win-win. If you're an Amazon seller who gets daily payouts, you're still watching this video. I don't know why the hell you're watching this video, but if you want an extra $150, sign up below, cancel that shit. Boom, we both win. Just kidding, don't do that. It's not good, it's not ethical. It's not ethical for me to eat breakfast at Holiday Inn Expresses either, but I do it. Free breakfast. It said free breakfast on the highway. I pulled off, ate breakfast at the Holiday Inn Express. Do you guys do that too? I lived in my car for a while. If you guys have not seen my videos of me living in my car, go back through my channel. I was traveling around the country, shipping books to Amazon FBA fulfillment centers out of my car, eating breakfast at hotels. because the signs on the interstate say free breakfast. It's not ethical to do that either. Not ethical to put signs that say free breakfast on the interstate. And in very small font, you have to have like 20/20 vision to read this shit. It says you've had to stay here the night before. I don't know. What's y'all's opinion on that? Comment below. Are you stealing breakfast when you eat the free breakfast that they advertise on the interstate signs? I feel a type of way about that. Anyway, guys, peace out. Much love. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do. Unsubscribe if you got to. Peace out, family.
But selling's all about potential. If money speaks, then I'm the main act.